Math fans, there's two numbers that I've been thinking about that I need a little help with. Let's go get it. How's it going, math fans? Coach Joe here, and welcome back to another fun activity. Today, we're going to be working with a special number, 6, 7. And when you put those two numbers together, you get 67. In our activity today, each round there's going to be two books, a red book and a blue book. Each of the books are going to have an addition problem underneath it. You're going to have to solve both of the addition problems. And after you solve them, one answer is going to be our special number. I want you to pick that answer, and we're going to open up both books and see which one opens up to 67. There's 3 rounds in today's activity, so let's head over and see our first 2 problems. We have our first 2 books and our first 2 addition problems. For the red book, our addition problem is 26 plus 32. For the blue book, our addition problem is 13 plus 54. I want you to pause the video. I want you to answer both of these addition problems and see, for the red book or the blue book, which answer gives you 67. That's the one I want you to pick, and we will see which of these 2 books open up to page 67. You should have your answer written down. Is it going to be the red book or the blue book that opens up to page 67? Let's get started first and try out the red book. Remember, we always want to start adding in our ones place all the way to the right. Let's start with 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Then we move over to the tens. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 26 plus 32 equals 58. Well, that's not 67. Let's take a look at the blue book and see what we get from that. Remember, we want to start with the ones. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Move on to the tens. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 13 plus 54 equals 67. Well, after looking at these, I think it's the blue book that's going to open up to page 67. Let's take a look and see which one it is. Great job. We were right. The answer to the red book was 58, and the answer to the blue book was 67. 6, 7. If you got that right, give yourself a thumbs up. Let's take a look at our next 2 addition problems. Take a look at our next 2 equations. For our red book, we have 35 plus 32. For our blue book, we have 24 plus 52. I want you to pause the video, complete both of these addition problems, and decide which of these 2 equal 67. Then come back, we'll do both of them together, and we'll see if you're right. All right, you should have solved both equations. Let's take a look first at our red book, then we'll solve our blue book equation. Our red book equation is 35 plus 32. Whenever we're doing addition, we always want to start all the way to the right in the ones place. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then we'll move into the tens place. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 67. So that seems to be the number that we're looking for, but let's just check the blue book to make sure. Remember, always start in my ones place all the way to the right. 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 2 plus 5 is 7. Well, that's 76. That's not the number we're looking for. We're looking for 67. So I think we should lock in our guess that we're going to turn to page 67 with the red book. Let's take a look and see which one is the correct answer. All right, we did it. It was the red book that opened up to page 67. If you got that right, give yourself a big thumbs up. Let's take a look at two more equations. We are up to our final two equations. And again, we have our red book and our blue book. One of them is going to open up to page 67. We need to figure out which of these are going to, based on the two addition problems. For the red book, we have 45 plus 33. For the blue book, we have 56 plus 11. I want you to pause the video. I want you to answer both of these addition problems. And when you have both answers, come back. We'll do it together and we'll see which book is going to open up to page 67. You should have both these addition problems solved. Let's take a look at the red book first. Remember, we're always starting at our ones place. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then we move on to our tens place. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And what do we get? 78. Well, that doesn't sound like 67. Let's try the blue book. 56 plus 11. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then we move to our tens. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6, 7, 67. So we have 78 for the red book, 67 for the blue book. Which book do you think is going to turn to page 67? I think the blue book. Let's check it out. Awesome job. We got it right again. The blue book, 56 plus 11, opened up to page 67. Great job. If you got that right, give yourself a big thumbs up. Hey, you all did an awesome job today with those addition problems and finding out which book was going to open up to page 67. If you had fun today, give me 6, 7 thumbs up. And I'll see you next time for some more math.